Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video just to show you how to remove a shifter and swap it out. First get the right Allen wrench. Usually that's, and hopefully you guys can see that. It's down in there. Really can't tell. Anyways, for that real another hole, there's a set screw. So I'm going to take this Allen wrench and the wrong one. Imagine that. Thought we had the right one. Anyways, it can take just a second. Alright, that's it. Alright. Lefty loosey. Get it loose enough. And then just to where you can go back in there and loosen it up. Alright. It's attached. There's a set screw down in that hole. But basically that's it. Just, set it back down. And reverse it. Just tighten it back up. So that's going to be the end of this video. I hope y'all learned something. It's real simple. This is a Southern Trucker shifter. One of his first ones, I believe. Hopefully one of the first ones, I think. 18 speed. Gray button. This is not the genuine Eaton shifter, but now he uses the genuine Eaton shifter, so might be time for me to upgrade. I don't know, this is still holding up, knock on wood, real good. So over a year having it and using it for American Truck Sim. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by.